This Nutella Oreo cheesecake is creamy, sweet, and super tasty. It has a crunchy Oreo cookie base and a soft cheesecake filling mixed with Nutella. The best part is that it's no-bake. Place 200 grams of Oreo cookies into a bowl. Add melted unsalted butter and mix well until the crumbs look like wet sand. Take a round springform pan. Pour in the Oreo mixture. And press it down firmly with a spoon to create a smooth base. Let it chill in the fridge for about 15 minutes. In another bowl, combine cream cheese, powdered sugar, and Nutella. Mix until everything becomes smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, add your whipping cream and beat it until it becomes thick and fluffy. Gently fold Nutella cream cheese mixture into the whipped cream. Pour the entire mixture over the Oreo base. Spread it out evenly. Smooth the top. Let the cheesecake rest in the fridge for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, melt some Nutella with a little whipping cream in the microwave. Stir until it becomes a silky, smooth sauce. Let it cool slightly, then pour it over the chilled cheesecake, spreading it gently around the edges. And that's it! A creamy, rich, and absolutely delicious Nutella Oreo cheesecake ready to enjoy.